Well, right now I'm at Starbucks' newest rival in China. This is a chain called Luckin, and the name comes from the Chinese name Rei Xing, or luck and happiness. And what's interesting also is the logo. It is a deer that is native to China. And I think that's what's really interesting about this company and makes it so different compared to Starbucks' other rivals because it is totally homegrown. Earlier today, I was speaking to one of the co-founders, Eric Guo, who said that the company is different from Starbucks because they believe that Chinese people are going to be doing everything with their mobile phones. So you cannot even buy coffee with cash here. Everything has to go through the app. Also, they've been opening a lot of stores, and many of those stores double as delivery stations because they think that Chinese people more and more are going to be buying food and drink online. So they have a guarantee that they can deliver their coffee to you anywhere that you are within 30 minutes or less, or you get your coffee for free. In fact, Guo said that the old way, and read that as Starbucks, is people looking for coffee. With us, coffee finds them. Now, like other Chinese rivals to foreign companies, Luckin competes on price. Its drinks are about 20 to 30% cheaper than Starbucks, and it's also been openly criticizing Starbucks. And just a few months ago, they actually wrote an open letter to Starbucks criticizing Starbucks' business practices in China. In fact, Guo said that they are going to sue Starbucks here. He told me, "We believe Starbucks' behavior undermines fair competition and prevents Chinese customers from having convenient access to high-quality coffee at a reasonable price." Now, as for the trade war, Guo told me that he doesn't think that just because they're a Chinese brand, they would benefit. But earlier this week, what's interesting is that state media had interviewed customers at Luckin and said that they preferred Luckin to Starbucks because of the trade war. Back to you.
That is interesting, Eunice. Are there any other businesses besides Starbucks, U.S. businesses, that face Chinese domestic competitors that could be worried about this sort of thing, prioritizing the state or the Chinese companies over American companies that have built big businesses there?
Yeah, there are a lot. But what's always been interesting about Starbucks is that it hasn't had a natural domestic rival. There are a lot of other American brands that do, but Starbucks hasn't. So all of their competitors have been Costa from the UK or UCC from Japan. So they actually haven't had a Chinese rival until now.
Wow, Starbucks, China's the pillar of growth for Starbucks. They better hope that this is not a huge level of competition. Right? I mean, the stock has gotten obliterated. You guys, Carl, on this program generally have the CEO, whether it was Schultz or Kevin Johnson now.
We're going to watch
down again today.
The evolution from tariffs to currency to now whether state media or boycotts of American products becomes a significant dynamic in this dispute.
Tariffs aren't the only tool.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.